Today we're gonna do a bit of parging job. Tool that you will need a handboard like this, a trowel. This is optional, a scoop, just to take up the mortar, finishing trowel, and a piece of styrofoam. You can either use a piece of styrofoam or you can use a broom, just to broom it. It depends on the type of finish that you're going for. So first you want to clean up your wall. You want to make sure you set it, clean it up, make sure there's nothing on it. We had a 2 foot on the channel. You want to take up like a half amount, like so. And then you press it, you put it right over and draw. But you want to draw on an angle, you don't want to go straight. If you go straight, then it's gonna tilt, and just like this, most of the mortar gonna go onto it. So you want to hold it on an angle like this, and just slightly go up. You'll catch it. Parge your wall like this. You want basically like a 1/4 inch coverage with this mortar. We're looking for a 1/4 inch layer of mortar. What we want to do, you want to put on 1/8 first. You don't want to go with the full 1/4 inch. You want to go with a thin layer first, and then you keep on adding over it. Here I make a draw thin first. If you go with like the full 1/4 inch, sometimes it can crack. We don't want to go too much thick at once. But you want at least a 1/4 inch worth of mortar on the wall thickness. And you just draw up on a hanger, 16 degrees, set the trowel like so. Slowly go up. Finish it, you basically want to run light, like a 45 degrees. Again. you go too thin, when it dry, you will see the block printed out. You don't want to go too thin. This way how I'm doing it right now, I'm using a Broom Finish. I have a video that I use styrofoam finish. If you're interested in seeing the difference between the broom and the styrofoam, I will link that video down in the description, and link will be up in the card as well. So now what I'm doing now, I'm putting my last skin layer over it, because I already gone with one layer. This is the finishing layer. So here for the top you want to draw like, and then you work down like this, finish it. Again, work down. And remember, you can't go straight down, you have to hold your trowel on a angle. So you have to tilt the bottom out. Tilt the bottom out, go down. If you go straight, look, you see? The gravity is gonna dig into the mortar. So basically you want to go up and tilt the bottom out, like so. I'm going to use my brush, my broom on it now. Either way, so if you're going up again, down, you tilt the bottom out. Going back up, tilt the top up. Or out, sorry. This side, guys, we'll go with just a regular finish, just a joint finish over here. Inside we do parging.